You're watching AGEX'S Extreme. Alright guys, welcome back to AGEX'S Extreme. What you guys are looking at here, don't mind my my bed, but I went ahead and got my 25 cal air gun, and it's called the Hatsan. It's got just a regular old box, you know, you ain't gonna, nothing real special to it. Right here it says black synthetic stock, striker edge vortex, and 25 cal 650 feet per second. We're gonna go ahead and get to the, make sure everything's in this box. And it does look like everything's there. Here's everything in the package. You got the gun. It is a thumb hole stock. The scope, the instructions, but I heard that scope isn't the best scope, so read all in before using the air gun. This is a Christmas gift, so I'm not going to be able to do all this. So what we're going to do here, the pellets I did get are the JSB Exact Kings. These are a 25 grain pellet, 150, 6.35. So we're going to go ahead and pull it out of the package. We're going to look at it and then put it back and then wrap it up for Christmas. So we'll see you guys at the next one.